Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rainbow cheesecake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you want to make the base, which is the easiest part. Simply take a food processor and place in your digestive biscuits and blitz them up until they achieve a fine crumb. It should look something similar to sand. And then you can go ahead and add in your melted butter and blitz again until it looks like wet sand and the butter is incorporated into the digestive biscuits. Into the base of a lined 8-inch round cake tin, go ahead and place your biscuit crumb mixture and then compress it down using the back of a spoon, a cup measurement or something that will just help to compress and smooth it out. Go around until you're happy and it should be pretty level. To make the cheesecake filling, which will go on top of the base we just made, you can go ahead and grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your ingredients, which are the soft cheese, which is at room temperature, your granulated white sugar, followed by your sour cream, and make sure that's at room temperature too, your plain flour, your eggs also should be at room temperature, and your vanilla extract. Then you can go ahead and mix this all together until you have a smooth and slightly thickened mixture. That's what you're looking for. It doesn't take that long to mix, but you don't want any lumps or anything. You want everything to be fully incorporated but not over mixed. Then give the bowl a good scraping down, and this just incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in. Divide the mixture between 6 small bowls, and then go ahead and colour it the colours of the rainbow, so you'll have red, blue, green, yellow, orange and purple. At this stage I wasn't sure how to add all the colours in, so I just went with the easiest way of placing all of one colour into the centre and then topping each one with the next colour, and it'll push the bottom colour out, so it'll have more of a tie-dye look than a equal level. So start with the red, or you can start with the purple, it's really up to you. I started with red into the centre, place that in, then on top orange, then the yellow, and you can just give it a little, spread out just to help it. Then you can go ahead and just top with the colours and repeat the process. Shaking the tin or jiggling the tin will help do this as well, and that's what you're looking to do. You're not looking to spread it too much, as it'll do that quite naturally under the weight. And you'll just repeat it with all the colours until you have nothing left, and there you can tell you can hardly see the red layer, but this is completely normal and you will be able to see it once you cut into it once it's baked. With the top one, you don't really want to spread it out too much, just jiggle it around and it'll do its own thing. I will leave all the baking times, temperatures and everything else you need to know in a blog post, which will be linked down below, so check that out. So keeping things very simple, we're not adding any topping to this cheesecake, I'm just cutting it into 8 portions. So for this you'd want to cut it in half, and then half again, and then those halves into halves, and you'll have all 8 pieces of what you need. Again, you can cut this into more or less, it really depends on you and the occasion you're serving it for. So if you like cheesecake, a bigger piece; if you don't, a smaller piece, or donate it all and share it with people who will enjoy it. So here you can see all of the colours that we added in. The colours that went in last are the most prominent and the biggest layer, but don't worry, you've got all of them there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all of my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.